Yeah. Yeah. Yo. We just out here trying to make a better way. You know what it is, trying to make a brighter day. A lot of niggas talk like they know what's up. When they really know, they don't know what's up. Mind on my money, really trying to get it up. Paper fold every day, like what the fuck? They don't really know what's up, but I'm the type of nigga come on and get it up. Lost a lot of niggas, yeah I did, but I ain't complaining, cause I gotta live. All the nigga wanna do is make a better day. For the kids, man, trying to make a better way. But they don't understand me. Next day a day, trying to get fed, trying to get bread. Money on my mind, so I gotta play it. Read the game how it go, heard what I said. And I pray to God help me through all this shit that I'm going through. He gotta bless. Somebody gotta save me. Cause all this shit I'm doing, man, somebody gotta pay me. At the end of the day, you don't pay. So what you complaining for? I ain't complaining, man, I'm great. I'm grateful that I seen another day too. What you wanna do, man, when the sky's gray, it's not blue? What you gonna do? Me, I'ma stand there through the storms. Wake up when I hear the alarm. Don't go to sleep cause a nigga alone. Cause you nigga try to hit me, I hit you. Hit you with the left hand, man, that 1-2. Man, you know what this shit'll do to a fake nigga when I'm so true. And they ain't never did shit for nobody or hurt nobody. So why the fuck a nigga trying to curse me? They better not. You can't do that cause I'm a G, and that's the G in me. And I thank God every day he woke up me to see another day. Woke up all my niggas to see another day. And I pray for my niggas cause they doing shit another way. And I hope one day we all escape from this jail that we in. Even though we free, we still built behind walls that these crackers built. Man, it ain't shit what they say about these rappers I chill. Cause really, man, ain't no rappers I chill. It's real niggas who be spitting on this shit. Real niggas ain't never gonna get rich unless you in the street, nigga. A real project nigga, you know what it is. I seen a real project nigga. I been around with my nigga. I stayed around with my nigga. I played around with my nigga. I did a lot of shit. So don't talk about me unless you know me. And I'm a real nigga. I been a real G. I let me used to know me when you see me. Cause I know you probably know me when you see me. This is Iceman. A lot of niggas spoke about me in the future, but now look at me. I'm trying to get money, niggas, then mash it. I'm talking about going on you niggas. I ain't staying home on you niggas, I ain't playing no faces. All that bullshit, I'm trying to erase it and get back to the basics. Cause the basics what got you up. Money over everything, what the fuck, better? All I love is cheddar and see the sunshine, that's good weather. My mom pray for me and I thank her. My dad pray for me and I thank her. More people pray for me too. And just to know, I pray for y'all too.